Morning to Alabama and to Amanda in Alabama. Amanda's asking if I would recognize the elephant that hit the vehicle. She didn't attack me, Amanda. She attacked the vehicle. Oh, she didn't attack it. She hit it. Oh, I just moved up a little bit. Would I recognize her? There are a couple of things that I will recognize about her. Hopefully it'll be her behavior. It'll be the first thing I recognize. So cute when a little one realizes it's been left behind. Don't panic, girl, don't panic. I'm not talking about that little one, I'm talking about this young female that came out of the bush rushing at us. Just rushing to reassure its sibling, I guess. But the little one didn't notice. I didn't even see what it was doing. It was feeding. And I didn't notice that the moms and the babies had crossed the road, and as we saw with that bull, 5 feet in off the road, and an elephant disappears. It's quite thick. So came out and, "Oh me, where are you?" Alexa, didn't copy that. That was cute. This is, I think, the little female that we saw when we first arrived. One that was scratching her ear with the grasses. I'll move forward without disturbing her, don't I? Maybe I don't need to. Maybe she's coming forward. Keeping it. Hello, pretty girl. But the leaves changing colour, well, one of the reasons why they once again, using bark now to scratch in her ear, still going to eat it. But with temperatures dropping and the sun moving back into the northern hemisphere, the trees start moving into their dormant state, and so they start, I suppose withdrawing is not the right word, but they cease to feed the leaves. They cease to push moisture and nutrients into the leaves and instead store it in the roots. There's still a lot in the bark throughout the dry season, keeping the tree alive. And this is what she's eating now. She's chewing on the bark of the bush willow. And munching the whole branch itself, probably getting moisture out of the branch, and chewing it almost like a chewing gum. Like a chewing all the moisture, leaving the fibre behind. Like sugar cane, that's what I was thinking of, the way we eat sugar cane. I'm going to strip all the side branches maybe, or not. No. They'll chew up until the side branches start. Break off another one. Try and break it as low as possible before it actually starts branching out. This is recoppicing of the bush willow. They feed very similar. Sorry, you don't like me talking then. Very similar fashion with other species of trees. So once that big one got a lot of bark on it. Many years of elephants feeding on that particular tree, constantly taking off all the recoppicing, all the new branches that form. But every time they break a branch, two more will grow. So the tree starts bushing out more than becoming a tree. Not that tall one. Take off all the small ones on the side first.